The equipment is equipped with a one-click clamping function and a one-click startup for welding. The operation is simple. The weld seams are smooth and aesthetically pleasing. With the layout of 2 workstations and 2 guns, one person can operate 2 workstations simultaneously. And the 2 workstations can perform welding at the same time. One-click start. The equipment will automatically weld from the first diversion branch outlet to the last one. Significantly reduced labor costs and improved production efficiency. Using high-precision fixtures, the positioning is twice as accurate. Jump welding or offset welding can be used, which helps reduce the deformation of the product. This equipment's round manifold and square manifold are both compatible with welding. The length of the equipment is 3 meters. It can accommodate a manifold longer than 3 meters with the addition of a bracket.